My name is Simran and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this candy striped friendship bracelet. So let's get started. The first thing that I am going to do is pick out 2 colors for my bracelet. And then I'm going to cut out 70 inches of those 2 colors. Fold your string in half and tie the end to make a loop. Then I'm going to tape down my bracelet. Spread out your strings, keeping one color on the left and the other on the right. To make this bracelet, you are going to need to make a forward knot. To make a forward knot, take your left string and fold it over the string on the right to make a 4. Take the end of your left string and put it into the loop and tighten it to the top. Make sure to always knot twice. This is a forward knot, and you're going to continue the process with the strings on the right. Once you tuck your string from the left to the right, continue this process until your bracelet is formed. Once your bracelet is complete, tie a knot at the end. Also make sure to cut the end of the loop. I enjoyed watching. If you did, then like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss out any of my future videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!